Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVAX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And really, all annotations still pertain, and they're going to still be levels that I'm watching. And the first level that I want to focus on here is just this area of resistance here at 117. This has been a major problem point. And while today, sure, the price did actually get up above it and spend some time above it, the price could not maintain above it, fell back below, and then when the price worked its way up to that area, once again, it went right back to acting as resistance before pushing the price back downwards. So the 117 mark remains that near-term area of resistance. And the other key level that I talked about previously is at 121, which not perfectly, but I mean, we're talking about a $120 stock here. But you can see the price got up around that area. And generally speaking, that's where the price struggled. So 117 and 121 still going to be those main two areas of support, of resistance that I'll be watching closely moving forward. So we'll see if the price can ultimately get the break of there or not. But the one level that I'm very curious about and that I will be watching oh so closely going into Thursday is that area right there at 113.50, especially when this bounce upwards is starting to fail. Now, is it going to ultimately fail? That still remains to be seen. But if the price can work its way down and break through that level, is it a guarantee? No, guarantees don't exist. Is it at least a valid and rational thought to have? Absolutely. That if that area is broken, that could create some nice downside selling pressure. And I don't mean this downside selling pressure in the sense of sending it back to $100, but from a trading standpoint, that could create some movement, which wouldn't be shocking to see it send it down to right around the 106.50 mark. But that still all remains to be seen, because this could just be a nice healthy pullback before a movement back to the upside, which is why I want to start with those levels of resistance, because that'll help us gauge that angle of things. But all in all, the volatility continues. So let's see how this one plays out on Thursday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.